Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today's video is going to be about you and pinpointing your trading weaknesses, if you have any. I'm sure you do. Okay, so yeah, this is what today's vid is all about. It's a bit about psychology, it's a bit about trading your system, it's a bit about money management. Yeah, it's looking at everything, but understanding what you are doing wrong. Okay, identifying your weaknesses. All right, so this is, as you can see on my screen, guys, is a simple checklist of things we do wrong. And we're going to do this checklist throughout the week. Okay, I suggest all of you do this. This is obviously a picture, but I will put a Word document into the Discord channel. All right, guys, yeah, into the VIP Discord, you can find it in there. All right, so yeah, this is what you're going to do. So the title of this is Finding Your Trading Weakness. Yeah, it does what it says on the tin. Okay, and every day as you trade, I want you to keep a copy of this next to your desk, and every trade you enter, I want you to understand if you did any of these wrong, any of these things. So look at these weaknesses, guys. Okay. So we've got many. Entered too soon, didn't wait for value. Okay. Entered too late, jumped into a trade. These are all things I'm listing that I've done in the past, guys, that I'm going to say 100% of traders have done. Had a trade according to my strategy, but didn't take it. Exited before target, moved my stop loss, didn't trade my strategy, my plan. Why not? Yeah, over traded, just trading too much. Poor risk to reward. Yeah, didn't follow my money management. Risked too much, didn't risk enough. Yeah, traded emotionally and traded during the news. Unless you're a news trader, you can trade the news. But if you don't, you're gambling. Okay, so these are all things that I've experienced over the years in my trading, guys. Yeah, these are common things amongst many traders. And guys, if you can think of any that you would like to add to this list, weaknesses perhaps you've had that are not on this list, then please leave a message below this vid or in the Discord channel, guys, and I will add it to this checklist. So this is what you're going to do, guys. Monday, you are going to trade. Let's say you have 1 or 2 trades. Yeah, maybe on the first trade, you entered too soon. Okay, I want you to tick that box. Maybe on that same trade, you exited before target. Tick that box. And maybe you didn't risk enough. Tick that box. Okay, so that was Monday's trades. Okay, and then Tuesday you had 1, 2, or 3 trades, and then analyze them again. Yeah, so when you took the trade, you're like, yeah, I didn't wait for value. Yeah, I got in too soon. I did have a trade, but I didn't enter. Yeah, it was a trade according to my strategy, but I didn't enter. And all the other things, no, I didn't do. I didn't do. Wednesday, yeah, maybe you have no trades. Okay, yeah, Wednesday you've got no trades or you've just got one, but you traded it perfectly. You didn't do any of these things. I'm sure you will do one of these things, but let's say you didn't. Well, Wednesday we can leave blank. Thursday, again, yeah, you didn't wait for value. You entered too soon. This time you over traded as well. You had, sort of 5 or 6 trades, and some of them weren't part of your strategy. So you didn't trade your strategy. Okay. So yeah, that was Thursday. Then Friday, you have a couple more trades. This time there was big news coming out and you traded during news. Okay. And you got stopped out. Okay. Yeah. And that wasn't part of your strategy. So you didn't trade your strategy. Okay. And that's all you did Friday. All the rest were okay. Okay. So then at the end of the week, you can highlight your weaknesses. We're going to do a total. So entered too soon, that was 3 points. Had a trade according to my strategy, didn't take it, that was 1. Exited before target, that was 1. Didn't trade my strategy, why not? That's 2. Over traded, that's 1. Didn't risk enough, 1. Traded during news, 1. Okay, so you can straight away, guys, you can start analyzing and have your weaknesses on paper. This could be quite a powerful tool for you to have. And then you know what you need to work on. Okay, and if again you see entered too soon, didn't wait for value the next week, and you're doing the same thing, why are you doing the same thing? The checklist here is telling you you have a problem, so get it into your brain that you need to wait for value. Don't enter too soon. Yeah, maybe you didn't trade your strategy again next week. Why the hell not? You have a clearly defined strategy. Yeah, so we can start pinpointing what we are doing wrong in terms of these weaknesses, guys. So yeah, guys, start using this. You can write your conclusions in here at the end of the week, you know, and grade yourself. Grade yourself against this. If you start reducing these weaknesses and you have, you know, less numbers in the totals column, you know, give yourself a pat on the back. You are really overcoming some of your trading problems. So guys, yeah, start using this. This will help identify your weaknesses. Yeah, and if you've enjoyed this vid, you found it useful, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button, guys. We'd love to have you join the channel. All right, yeah, hope that helps, guys. See you again next time.